Tennessee Mom, a big shout out to Tennessee. Today we're going to make a toilet paper holder out of some unusual items. I got this plunger at the Dollar Tree and I just unscrewed it off there. This disc, round disc, come from the Dollar Tree also. And I had my husband screw it in the bottom so it's good and sturdy. But you can see it's kind of wobbly. So we're going to fix that. We're going to put some little feet on it. Turn this over. I've got these buttons here. Or they're not buttons, they're beads. They're wooden beads. So we're going to take this. I'm going to put a little bit of wood glue on the bottom. And then I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue. I'm only going to do 3 feet. I think that's plenty. And I'm just eyeballing where I think it should go. The hot glue is going to help us be able to finish this quicker because the wood glue will take longer to dry. And these, I got these beads here. I think I got them at Walmart for like maybe $1. It wasn't much. So I'm going to finish this. Finish putting these on, and then I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, and as you can see, I just done 3 in a triangle shape, and it works perfect. So now I've got some apple barrel paint in this brown oxidite, and I have a foam brush, of course, and I have a bowl here, and I've already got a little bit in here. But I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. And we're going to stain this. Now this will go on fairly quick. And it dries pretty quick too. But once it gets done, it really looks good. But it really looks like a stain. But all it is paint and a little bit of water. So as you can see, it's looking really good. So I'm going to finish painting the rest of this, and then once I get done, I will take it outside, and once it dries, I'm going to spray it with some hairspray, just some cheap hairspray that's still a paint. Okay, if you can see that, it's dry, and look how good that looks. Yes, I done the bottom. So I have some cheap hairspray here. I'm going to take it outside, and I'm going to spray this. So it's still pink and give it a little bit of shine. Okay, here it is. And you can see that it's got a little bit of sheen to it. And the toilet paper will just fit right on top of it. And it holds 4 rolls of toilet paper. So, there is our toilet paper holder. Let me show you what it looks like in the floor. And there is the toilet paper holder. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Like the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And God bless you until my next video.